I know that putting your face on YouTube and on video is a scary step. So if you want to start creating video content and have a YouTube channel, here are 5 video ideas that you can create where you don't have to show your face. Welcome back. My name is Trina if you are new here, and on this channel I help creative entrepreneurs figure out how to start using YouTube to grow their business. So obviously to be on YouTube, we need some video content, am I right? But it may be scary those first couple steps, those first couple videos to actually put your face in that video. I mean, what are the internet trolls going to say? What are the people you know from high school or from your old job going to say about your videos? Don't worry. I've got you covered with 5 video ideas that you can use to get started that you won't have to show your face. The first video idea is using a whiteboard or a doodle video. With this type of video, you can write things out as you explain them. So your camera is actually showing the whiteboard, whether you have it hung up on your wall or whether you have it flat on your desk and your camera is taking an overhead angle. You can walk through your steps or your how-tos or whatever you want to share through your doodles and your whiteboard drawing while you talk through it. There are a lot of great successful channels on YouTube that just strictly do whiteboard videos, so it's not like it's not going to work for you. The next video idea is a how-to video. And when I say how-to, I'm talking about a physical how-to. So how to cook, how to bake, how to do a certain type of craft. So what you basically need to do is just show your hands making, the gingerbread cookies, or showing how to make a salad, or how to create a bow for the top of your Christmas tree. You're just showing your hands, or you're just, again, putting your camera over top of your hands as you work. I've done a couple of these over on my mom channel where I walk through how I'm setting up a planner for 2019 and how I use my planners and my power sheet. You obviously see me at the beginning of the video, but through the middle, you don't see my face. You just see my hands and me talking through the planner and the power sheets. The third video idea is tutorials, and specifically screen sharing tutorials. So if you're walking people through how to use a software, how to use an app, how to set something up online, you can use free software to just share your screen. In fact, you can go into YouTube here and do a Google Hangouts and just walk through the process you would normally do and talk through it to explain to people what you're doing in that process. These videos are great teaching videos, great education videos, and do so well because people come to YouTube with a question, how to set up a Pinterest account. And if you can walk them through how to do that on the screen, you don't even have to show your face to do that. A fourth video idea is doing reviews and unboxing videos. So again, all you need to do is point your camera to your hands or, shoot an angle from up above and unbox your Blue Apron order or your brand new camera or your brand new iPhone or whatever it is that your channel is going to be about. Again, you're just going to talk through this, but your camera is just going to be facing your hands. You can also review these products too, so you could show how you use your iPhone or whatever product you're showing by just shooting your hands and walking people through the process and giving your honest opinion why you believe this product is good or not. The fifth video idea is a pretty fun one, and it's the point of view videos. So you could actually vlog your entire day without even showing yourself. So what you could do is just get a GoPro or a camera and basically shoot what you're seeing. You never have to shoot the camera on you. You could be this anonymous personality, but walk people through, your story of your day, what you're doing, and just show them what you're doing. I mean, you could technically put a GoPro on the top of your head or on your chest as you walk through what you're doing, but you never have to actually show yourself. This video is a great idea to really start building a vlog channel if you're scared to put yourself on camera, because you can start to warm up to doing these types of videos. You can start to build that community. So when you are ready to put yourself on camera, then you can just flip this camera around and show you. I want to know, are you going to be creating any of these videos in the near future? Let me know which one you're going to be doing. And if you want to get more video ideas for your YouTube channel, make sure you click that video that's on your screen right now and subscribe to this channel for new tips and strategies every Monday and Wednesday. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.